Good morning and welcome back to Dash for Adventure. Today we're going to be leaving out of this BLM, state land and heading into Vegas. So stay tuned. This place has to be one of my most favorite places to camp. It's so peaceful, not a lot of people running around here. You can definitely tell when someone's coming. You can see the dust from the road. And right out there is some free-range cows. Right outside the van, all evening. And this morning as well. Off in a distance you can see I-40. And around this hill right over here is the train tracks. You can see the train coming all the way around the base of the train from time to time.
So we drove on down that public land trust road to see what else was out here. This was the officially marked camping area right next to this retention pond. But the water is fenced off, and all the campsites over here, dispersed camping by the way, not official, are just in and amongst the juniper trees with fire pits, and it's nice. You get some privacy, but you don't really have a view. It is beautiful out here. Wow. So now we got about 3.5-4 miles back to the road. After checking out that campground, I guess you call it that, this is the perch we normally stay at, where we stayed last night. You can see it's just up on a hill, and you can see everything from there.
So, if you zoom in on this mountain right here, it literally looks like somebody laying there asleep. Or at least it does to us. Well, we stopped at the KOA to get some water and we saw this. Apparently you can stay in a teepee at the KOA in Seligman, Arizona. Cool wash buckets. That is pretty neat. And there it is. You can't get in. It's been reserved. But I'm sure it's heated. Or no, that gas is going to the little fire pit that looks like a piece of wood. That was really cool. Hey Derek, we're gonna need to come stay in a teepee at some point. I think it would be fun. Hey look, there he is, right over there. He's getting water. We're about to head out. There's a side view. And then there's the cabins that they have. There's actually 3 of them. And there's Derek getting water. Tell everybody, hey, honey.
Hey, honey.
He's talking to me, not y'all. Thank you, KOA, for the water fill up.
Yes, thank you, KOA. They always help us every time we come through town and need a water fill. Just $6.
Well, today we made it to Hoover Dam Lodge. We had a hard push because we really needed to get to Vegas so we can have our conference. So like and subscribe and let us know where your favorite places are out west. Good night, everybody.